Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and yeah, I look a little crazy today. I look like I just woke because I just wake up, and yeah, this is how I look when I just wake up. My brows are just a little bit deeper, but anyways, who cares? I'm just here trying to do a little quick get ready with me. I just want to, just do some eye makeup. I'm about to go vlog and create some fashion content for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I already have my eyes nicely primed. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, Born to Run, and I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. I have no inspiration pictures. I'm just gonna kind of just go in with these colors and see what happens, and then yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Baja. I'm just gonna take Baja and I'm gonna put it on a Morphe 443 brush, and I'm going to pop it into the center, into the inner areas of my lid, and I'm just gonna like keep dabbing it on. I really just kind of want like a very cool look today, make it a little gradient and pretty. I don't know, like I'm just trying to be extra. I'm super vibing into orange lately, so of course I'm gonna use orange. It's just so pretty to use orange. I think it's just beautiful. I love orange. Maybe some of you guys may share the same love. Maybe some of you may not. I'm gonna also go in with a small blending brush and just blend those edges out. Like a quick way of doing your eyeshadow. If you want to add color and you don't really have time, or you're just not somebody who wants to fuss with too much makeup, this is a great way to like play with color a bit. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take Wild Heart right here, and I'm gonna take Wild Heart and I'm gonna take it into the center. I'm just gonna kind of like just pancake that in. Go into the center and have that on there. This is like one of the easiest looks I've done. I don't know, because it just takes less blending work, I feel. See that harsh line right there? You just lightly take a smaller blending brush and you just blend that out. So easy. I am loving this palette, Born This Way, or Born to Run. I keep getting confused. Once you've got this all blended out, I'm definitely going to go in with another color like in my transition area just to like put everything together. But this just looks really good right now. Like it looks really good. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a Guilt Trip. I really like doing these type of looks with the MAC 217 type of brushes because they're flatter and they just like cover a lot of area and it's just quicker. And I feel like these looks are very quick to accomplish. You don't have to do a lot of work for these looks. It's just a lot of blending. Remember you guys, I like my eyeshadow a little extended, so I'm just extending my eyeshadow. So this is my eyes complete. It looks really good. I think I should do an eyeliner. I'm gonna do a quick eyeliner. I'm just gonna go in with this Pure On Point liquid eyeliner. I do not like this eyeliner, but I'm just using it because I don't have any. I know it's weird. I kind of stopped wearing eyeliner so much, and now I want to kind of like do some of my looks with eyeliner, and I just had no eyeliner in stock. This is the only eyeliner I had from PR, and I was just like, oh my gosh. But I hate this eyeliner, you guys, so do not listen to me about this eyeliner. Like don't like think this is an On Point eyeliner. So I'm just going to shape my eyes. Gonna do a little quick liner. Like it's just very hard to make straight lines with it. So I'm gonna make my liner a tad thick. Like that's what I mean. Like this eyeliner sucks, you guys. This is all I have right now, so I'm just going to go with it. So my eyeliner is definitely not super even, but one thing you guys have to understand about eyeliner and just makeup in general, not everything's going to always be super even, not everything's going to be super perfect, but you still have to get through this and you still have to do your makeup how you can do it your best way, because I feel like people really stress about perfection with makeup. It's not always about perfection though, you know? So anyways, you guys, today I'm going to be putting on the Too Faced foundation. These are the new colors by Jackie Aina, which I am so excited to try out. I'm not going to obviously put on all 4 colors, but just to let you guys know, this is the new Too Faced foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and tap this on. This is a chit chat, get ready with me. I will have a full review, or I probably already have the full review. Will or already, I don't know yet, have the full review, and these are going to be up on my channel and tell you guys like what I think about the colors and stuff like that. That coverage looks good. I'm just going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to go in with this Stellar Beauty concealer. I feel like, yeah, Stellar Beauty concealer. And I'm not going to do like a super bright eye today because I'm going to be doing some outside photography. And sometimes when you do too bright of an eye and it's really sunny outside, you start looking real masky. So I'm just going to keep it very neutral type of concealer. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love the Stellar Beauty concealer. It's so freaking good. So good. I don't have time for a cream contour, or else I would do a cream contour, but Nayar is downstairs waiting for me because we got vlog. And usually when that happens, if I don't get it together, I get in trouble. I don't really get in trouble, you guys. Come on, let's be real. It's just, he gets annoyed. It's like, come on. We got things to do today. So I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin bronzer to bronze my skin up with. I love using this bronzer. I think it's the perfect color for me. It has like a little bit more of a plummy vibe to it because of the mixing of the pink and the bronzer, but I don't mind it. It looks really good. It kind of makes me skip the blush part. Y'all know the deal. I have to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is my Laura Mercier powder. I need to open a new one, but you know. So you guys know money doesn't grow on trees, so I gotta get the last bit of my Laura Mercier. And, and then there you go. I'm gonna just dip my beauty blender in it. Usually I like to use a wet beauty blender, but I'm too lazy to get up and go wet this because I could do it either way. And you just kind of like chisel your face out. Ooh, this is like my favorite step of my makeup routine, you guys. I love this. So I'm just going to go, oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. And then you can just dab the rest into like this area. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do it over here too. I never do this, you guys. I don't ever do this area. I always see beauty bloggers doing this. So I thought I would do it. Because somewhere... Oh shit. My nose is looking kind of crazy right there. Somewhere along the line, I thought I was a little bit of a beauty blogger for a second. In the meantime, while you have your face being snatched up like this, you're just going to go in to your under eyes. I didn't really take this orange and like do a gradient on the bottom. I just wanted to keep it nice and warm on the bottom. So for highlighter today, we're just going to stay super golden. And we're just going to go in with the Laura Geller highlighter. And this is in the shade Gilded Honey. And we're just going to stay golden. So you guys know I like to put on my highlighter dry first. And then we go in playing with some wetness. Ooh. Gilded Honey never disappoints me, you guys. It's always just like such a fire color. Oh my god, such a fire color. It's so good. I love it. Never disappoints me. Ooh, yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray. Ah, no! Spray my brush. I'm only going to take the wetness, the wet brush, and I'm not going to go all the way. I just like to add a little bit more bling right here in this area, and then I just blend it out. And I like to take my stippling brush. I always tell you guys I learned this from Nicole Guerrero, and I just go ahead and I blend everything into my skin. I just blend everything. I could go super nudie, but I'm not gonna go, so I'm just gonna go in with this new color by Lady Burgundy. It's this Postiano. This is gorgeous. Like, wow. Then, just to add an emphasis to my inner corner, and I'm going to just take this brush right here. Just going to take Gilded Honey and put it into my inner corners. I've been really into having like all of my highlights match. So it's like been a real thing for me now. I'm just going to go ahead and wet the brush a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some lashes. These are the Lady Burgundy lashes. These are in Jasmine. Okay, so this is the finished look. I usually don't do makeup looks like this. I usually don't do them like, I mean, I'm lying if I say I don't use a lot of color because your girl loves a lot of color. But I usually like to I don't know, like it's just different for me and I love it and I think it's so, so cute. I'm looking at my monitor, you guys, if you ever wonder, why is she looking that way? It's my monitor. So I just think that this was a very colorful makeup tutorial and it was fun to do. Super easy to do. It's just blending and placement, which is easy. I'm not really good at cut creases, maybe because I have hooded eyes, but cut creases has always just been something I'm like not a fan of. But this I was definitely a fan of. This I would definitely do a bunch of more color combinations like this. I'm just loving the lippy. I just love this whole look. It looks really, really good. Comment down below and let me know if you like this look as well. What do you think about this look? Would you wear this? Would you not wear this? Let your girl know. I'm just going to go ahead and say bye-bye and let you guys know to subscribe to the channel and the notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Those are all Glam by Runa, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye!